Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Surfshark affiliate program for VPN commissions step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Surfshark website. Scroll down to the footer of the main page. Look for the affiliate link in the footer. Click on the affiliate link to be redirected to the Surfshark affiliate program page. Once on the affiliate program page, click on the Join Now button. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your affiliate account. Provide details about your promotional methods and traffic sources. Review the program terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Sign Up button to submit your application. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from Surfshark. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Log in to your newly created affiliate account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. Explore the available marketing materials and tools provided. Copy your unique affiliate link to promote Surfshark. Start sharing your affiliate link on your website or social media platforms. Monitor your performance and earnings through your affiliate dashboard. Stay updated with promotions and news from the Surfshark affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.